See, there I go again. Hi everyone, happy new year to you, to everyone, to all of my subscribers and to those who aren't subscribed but you still view my channel. Happy new year to everyone. I hope this year brings success to everyone. I need to stop saying everyone. But still, thank you to my new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. And guys, please look forward to seeing more videos of, you know, makeup and beauty and all of that good stuff from me. It's just I need a kickstart, and oh boy, it's just kind of complicated, but still, please look forward to seeing more videos and more frequent videos from me. Today's video I'll be doing the Jamaican tag, and I know that I've done it before, and maybe my old subscribers have seen my previous Jamaican tag, but this is an updated one. Yeah, updated Jamaican tag video. But before I get started, I just want to say that I'm going on a weight loss journey, and I'll be, you know, tracking my progress and making videos of that journey on my second channel, which is Sparks Unedited. I'll leave the link to that channel in the description box below. And yeah, if you guys want to, you know, join with me, you can. So before I start, let me just fix the lighting. Yeah, that's better, right? Okay, so let's start with let us start with the Jamaican tag. So I actually have the I have it written down here on this. It's a piece of paper that I'm going to start read off to them. Zine. So I'm just making a note for now. Say a beige part of my chat. No standard English. My standard English a friend, but part of my Jamaican. Yo, I'm a native language still. Everybody knows say we speak Jamaican, and I love my patois, and the fact that I can be speaking bare patois in this video, I'm going to take advantage of it. Zine. So let's get started. The first question is, when was the last time you went to Jamaica? So for those of you who don't know, I actually live in the UK right now. I study psychology, Zine. But the last time I did go to Jamaica was, I was in Jamaica in September. Yeah, September, because that's when I came here. But I can't wait to go back to Jamaica in June. Oh my god, I can't wait. But the last time I was in Jamaica was in September. Next question, second question, number 2. A Jamaican dish that I enjoy. Oh lord. I don't have a favorite Jamaican dish, but I'm gonna name out all of the Jamaican dish them that I like. Here we go. Me love my rice and peas and fried chicken with coleslaw and curry gravy. Oh my god, that is to die for. I love it. I love rice and peas and stew chicken. Me love rice and peas and oxtail. Me love rice and peas and pork. Yes, me love me pork. Me love me jerk pork. Me love me jerk chicken. Me love me jerk fish. Only taste jerk fish. Jerk fish tastes nice. Me love me escovitch fish. I love that. What else me love? Me love me ackee and me saltfish. Not really the saltfish part, but me love the ackee part. I love ackee. I love callaloo. I love roast breadfruit. I love fried breadfruit. I love, let me tell you what I love. Sweet potato. I love sweet potato. I miss my Jamaican food so much. What else? Oh, around Christmas time, I love my sorrel. I love my sorrel. I can't get enough of sorrel. If I could have a sorrel 365 days a year, then me would have it. Trust me. What else? I love my sweet sap, sour sap, juice them. I like beetroot juice, that tastes good, and I love carrot juice with the milky thick carrot juice. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't remember anything else right now. Number 3, I have the questions mixed up, but my number 3 is say something in your Jamaican dialect. So I've been speaking of a Jamaican dialect, Zine, but I don't really, like, on the spot, I don't really know what to talk about. But yeah, I'm sure when I hear it right now, I speak my Jamaican language and thing. Me like my dialect patois. Yeah. A lot of people here are interested. They really love my accents, and you know, I get a lot of comments on YouTube, not a lot, but I get comments on YouTube saying that, oh, I love your accent and stuff. I love my accent too. Jamaica to the world, like seriously. Anything else I have to say? Oh, I love to say Wagwan Paka. You guys know the song by Vibes Cartel, Clarks? Yeah, I love that intro.
Wagwan Paka.
They are not at school, but tell me something. How will you get the new Clarks, the daddy? Which color that? Daddy no party.
Okay, next. Number 4. Where were you born? To be specific, I was born at Hargreaves Hospital in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. So I was born in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Number 5 is an item household that represents your culture. So if I could have bring the whole of Jamaican culture, come with me, come to England, I would do it. But unfortunately I couldn't. So I have like some things right here, so right beside me I'm going to show you guys. First and foremost, I have my flag. It's not a big flag, but it still represents my culture. Zin, it's my flag here. Hey, Jamaica. This video is so fun because I've been feeling homesick, but that's besides the point. I have this. Oh, and don't buy my nails. Please don't buy my nails. I have cock flavor soup mix from Grace. And I have chicken flavor noodle soup from Grace. And to my dismay, I did not know I could have found them somewhere in England. But you see, because we find them, I stocking up. Next thing I brought from Jamaica, I have my Rare Nephew Cocomania coconut flavor rum. See it here? And this is my second bottle. I have 2 of them, but 1 done. So you know, so I have to savor this, because I don't know when I'm going to get my next one. I have the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. I have my Rare Nephew White Overproof Rum. And you can see it's almost done. So I stopped drinking that because I need to save that for a special occasion. And yes, I have been drinking it. And I have my Red Label wine. It's also from Rare Nephew. This one from Rare Nephew? Yeah, it's from Rare Nephew. This one don't open yet because for some reason me and the wine, you know, most people in Jamaica use the wine for baking, like Christmas cake and stuff. Not really. I don't know who drink it. I'm sure people drink it, but I cannot drink this. That's what it is. It's like an antique type thing, you know. So yes, those are household items that represent my Jamaican culture. The last question is, what do you like about your Jamaican culture? Well, I like the fact that we are amazing people. Like, we are so determined. We achieve, once we put our mind to it, we can achieve a lot. We are very friendly. I love the fact that we are friendly. People might not know you from Adam and them can help you with something. Like, you know, for example, one time I never have no credit and I really needed to call my mother, and I just stopped a nice lady and I was like, excuse me, you know, I told her my situation. I was like, I can please get a phone call, and she was like, sure. I was like, thank you so much. People out here, so yeah, I like the fact that everyone smiles at you. They don't know you, but them still pop a nice smile, you know, just to help you out with your day. A smile can do a lot. What else I like about Jamaican people? We little but we talawa. Yes, we little but we talawa. Oh, if you don't know what that means, go research it, Zine. And I know our culture is so diverse. You have people from all over the world coming to Jamaica because they love our culture. They love the people. As our motto says, we're out of many one people, and that is so true. It's so true, right? And I actually love that there's a video here on YouTube with the Jamaican anthem. You know, like for those who aren't in Jamaica, when you go to a Jamaican cinema, the first thing before they play a movie, you have to stand up and you listen to the Jamaican anthem, and it depicts what Jamaica is really about, which I really love. So I'm going to link that video below in the description box. And oh god, before I'm done, I love the heat. You know how people, my friends go to, you know, university in Kingston right now, right? And you know the university, them is only UTEC and UA. And they're complaining about the heat. Every single day them are complaining about the heat, but how them get black and them can't go class because sun too hot and all these things. You know how we out here so would love when the sun, the little bit of sun, when the can't send some of the sun come away please, because right now I'm so pale. This is not my this is my natural color. Lord, you see that? You see that? No, I want some sun. I need some sun. I love the beaches. The beaches, yes. I think I'm straying from the topic, but yeah, that's it. That's my video, my updated Jamaican tag. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please feel free to comment below and also do this video as a video response. You know, you don't have to live abroad to do this video. You can still be in Jamaica and do this video, because the first time I did this video I was in Jamaica and I still did it. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and happy new year, and please stay tuned. Remember, I'll be doing a weight loss journey on my second channel, and I'll also be, you know, doing more videos on this channel. So thank you for watching everyone, and have a good day. Bye.